evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas here in Panay News Tonight. The city government of Iloilo is encouraging residents to be vaccinated against COVID-19. This came after Ilonggos abroad who were inoculated provided positive feedback. In its Facebook page Tuesday, the LGU shared testaments of Ilonggo frontliners in the United Kingdom and the United Arab Emirates after they received shots of the Sinopharm and AstraZeneca vaccines. Here's what they said. Last week, the city government deposited its 20% advance payment to AstraZeneca, which promised the metro 600,000 vials of the AZD122 vaccine. Mayor Jerry Treñas and other city officials expressed willingness to be vaccinated in public to boost the confidence of Ilonggos. However, results of a recent immunization screening showed 71% of Iloilo City residents were apprehensive of COVID-19 vaccines due to potential side effects. Treñas also requested doses of Sinovac vaccine from the national government for medical health workers in the city who are willing to be vaccinated. The village captain of Barangay Calang, Dueñas, Iloilo was arrested Tuesday for illegal possession of firearm and explosive. Police said 59-year-old Joe Winnie Giganto was a suspected leader of the Giganto Group, a newly identified criminal organization involved in proliferation of loose firearms and gun-running activities in Iloilo and nearby provinces. Armed with a search warrant, authorities recovered from Giganto's possession a .45 pistol loaded with 7 live bullets and a hand grenade, among others. The village captain was also a suspected member supporter of the New People's Army. Giganto was brought to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group office in Iloilo facing charges. Properties worth around 300,000 pesos went up in smoke after fire razed 2 ancestral houses in Pasay City, Iloilo. The Pasay City Bureau of Fire Protection said the houses owned by Jean Lim Huco and Rosalinda Palmares in Barangay Poblacion Ilaya were totally gutted. According to the BFP, the fire originated around 12 p.m. on Monday from the second floor of Lim Huco's house and quickly spread to Palmares residents. The BFP declared a fire out around 1:27 p.m. They have yet to determine what caused the blaze. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is Panay News, the #1 digital and printed news in the region. Don't forget to always wear face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands and observe proper physical distancing. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Calling the attention of Nonoy Edsel, congratulations! You are the winner of our Panay News Trivia this Tuesday. A representative from our agency will give you details on how to claim your prize. In line with our upcoming 40th anniversary celebration, win 200 pesos worth of load available to all networks by being the first person to correctly answer the questions posted on our Facebook page Monday to Sunday. Here are the mechanics. Good luck mga ka-PN. Let's see how well you know Panay News. Stay safe, Western Visayas. See you again tomorrow evening.